Making a simple sketch is so simple, starting with a circle and then into the face, adding the details like the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and everything. Then getting into the whole body. Then we'll be starting with the inking, babies. You know how we do this stuff. Let's go. Let's get down into the neck from the face. Let's go down the what's wrong with my pen. What's wrong with my pen? Let's get down into the shoulders. Let's go straight down into the shoulders. What's wrong with my pen? Then down into the clothing. What's wrong? Then up again. Let's go. What's wrong with this pen? It better do this right. What the fuck is wrong with this pen? Ah! Okay. Now we're getting into the baby hairs. Yeah, baby. I like this. This turned out good. This turned out good. This turned out good. Look at the baby hairs. A chef's kiss, baby. A chef's kiss. Let's go. You like it? I love it. Now adding the thicker line, the thicker shadow for line variance. Let's go, let's go.